Trapezium look like this. And the kite look like this. Why these are special? In the parallelogram, two pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. That is why it's a parallel. That is why it is special. In a rectangle, two pair of opposite sides parallel and equal, and each angle 90 degree. In a square, all sides are equal, diagonals equal, each angle 90 degree. In rectangle also diagonals equal, because these points have equal distances. But in parallelogram, these 2 points are close, but these 2 points far. So that is why the diagonals will be different. Here also diagonals will be different. All sides are equal, angles not 90 degree. So a special thing is that all sides are equal and diagonal bisect perpendicularly. In a trapezium, this is trapezium. In trapezium, this one is these two lines in one pair of opposite sides only parallel. Adjacent sides in a kite adjacent sides are equal, and the second pair of adjacent sides are equal. So these special criteria are there for the 6 type of special quadrilateral. Now the next point is properties of a special type of quadrilateral. First, parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonal different and bisect each other. Second is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each of the angle is right angle. Diagonal are different. The third one is square. All sides are equal. Each of the angle is a right angle. Diagonal are equal and bisect perpendicularly. Fourth one, rhombus. All the properties of parallelogram. Angles are not right angle. Diagonal bisect perpendicular to each other. Now the next point is the relation among the special type of quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral, general quadrilateral, different sides, different angle, different diagonal. But parallelogram is a special quadrilateral because of the 2 pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. In trapezoid, 1 pair of opposite sides parallel. In a kite, no pair of opposite sides parallel are equal. Parallelogram are connected to the rectangle, rhombus and square. The property of parallelogram completely lie in the property of the rectangle. That is why rectangle is a parallelogram also. Similarly, parallelogram, the property of this parallelogram completely lie in the property of the rhombus. So that is why rhombus is also a parallelogram. Similarly, square, the property of the parallelogram completely lie in the property of the square. That is why square also a parallelogram. But vice versa, not true. Parallelogram never be a rectangle, parallelogram never be a rhombus, parallelogram never be a square, due to the not fulfilling the properties or criteria of the rectangle, rhombus and square in the parallelogram. So these are the relations between each other: quadrilateral, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rectangle and prism. Thank you. Through GeoGebra, the relation of among the different type of different special quadrilaterals can be explained very easily. It's a parallelogram, it's a rectangle. So in the parallelogram, up two pair of opposites are equal and parallel. Same statement also fulfill in this rectangle. So first property of the parallelogram and the first property of the rectangle completely same. So property of parallelogram completely fulfilled by the property of the rectangle. So that is why rectangle is a parallelogram also. But parallelogram does not fulfill the condition, the criteria of property of the rectangle. So that is why parallelogram is not a rectangle, because each angle is right angle in a rectangle, but this property does not fulfill in this parallelogram. Similarly, parallelogram and square, the property of the parallelogram completely fulfilled by the property of the square. Two pair of opposites equal and parallel. Here also, so square also a parallelogram. Similarly, rhombus also a parallelogram, because the property of the parallelogram completely fulfilled by the property of the rhombus. But trapezium never be a parallelogram, because the property of the parallelogram never fulfilled by the trapezium. So trapezium is different from the parallelogram. Rectangle and rhombus, never be. So parallelogram, so rectangle and rhombus, all sides are equal, two pair of opposites are equal, two pair of opposites are also equal in